Good morning students. Last class we discussed about how to change electronegativity in a group and period, as well as what are the factors affect on the electronegativity. Today we discuss about electropositivity or electropositive character. Our topic is electropositive character. What is the meaning of electropositive character? So, here simple, a tendency of an atom loss of electrons from their outermost orbit is called as electropositive character. Once again I repeat, a tendency of an atom loss of their valency electrons from the outermost orbit is called as electropositive character. How it is possible positive here? So, whenever an atom loss electron to form positive ion, that's we are calling electropositive character. A tendency of say tendency of an atom loss their valency electrons from outermost orbit to form positive ion is called electropositivity or electropositive character. Suppose one example here, check it. Sodium, atomic number 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. It lost outermost electron to form positive ion. Suppose this one we can show like that. Na gives rise to Na plus 1 electrons. Here sodium lost 1 electron to form positive ion, that is called as electropositivity. So which type of elements easily lose electrons? Metals which can lose easily electrons. Now another example I have to take. Magnesium, atomic number 12, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. This is the outermost orbit. Ending orbit is called as outermost orbit. So here these two electrons lost in the magnesium atom. A tendency of an atom loss electron their outermost or their valence electrons from outermost orbit. Now this one we can show. Magnesium gives rise to, it lost 2 electrons to get 2 plus. So this is the metals can easily lose electron to form positive ion, that is called as electropositive character. Next, what are the factors affect on the electropositive character? There are two factors. One is atomic radius. What happens? Atomic radius and increases, then electropositive character. So now here check it. Atomic radius increases, then electropositive character increases. Atomic radius decreases, then electropositivity character decreases. So here observe carefully. Atomic radius increases, then electropositive character increases. Atomic radius decreases, then electropositive character decreases. Now I will show. Let me take one example. Example: sodium, potassium, rubidium. These three is the metals. Now here this is the sodium size, potassium, rubidium. What is the atomic radius? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. What happens atomic radius here? Small, bigger, bigger. Atomic radius increases. Then what happens? Electropositive character increases. How it is possible? So here, what is electropositive character? Loss of electrons. So here, nuclear charge strongly attracted by outermost electrons. But the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very large is there. That's why less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electrons. That's why we can easily electron removed, but here we should not remove electron. Here does not lose easily electron, here easily lose electron because of nuclear charge. And also atomic radius increases. So here small atomic radius, here bigger atomic radius. Next, second one, nuclear charge. So here also what happens? Whenever nuclear charge increases or decreases, then electropositive character. Point number 1. Here there are 2 points is there. Nuclear charge decreases, then electropositive character increases. Second point, nuclear charge increases, then electropositive character decreases. How it is possible? Let me take one example. Same, anyone have to take. sodium, potassium. This is atomic radius. Now we consider as nuclear charge. Here what happens? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit how less. That's why nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit electron. That means strongly attracted nuclear charge. Next, here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very large. That's why nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit electron. Now, which case we can easily remove electron? Whenever more nuclear charge is there, it is strongly attracted. That's why we should not remove easily electron. Here, less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electron. So, we can easily remove. So, these 2 points. First, nuclear charge increases, then electropositive character decreases because of does not lose easily electron. Nuclear charge decreases, electropositive character increases because easily lost electron. Next, how to change electropositivity in a group under period. How to change electropositivity in a group and period. First one, in a group. Electropositivity top to bottom in a group increases due to atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. So here very important, what happens electropositivity in a group? Electropositivity top to bottom in a group increases due to atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. Now check it. Example. First a group. Lithium, sodium, potassium. Any three elements you can take. Sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium. So what is the atomic radius? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. So every atom has nucleus. Here what happens atomic radius? Smaller, bigger, bigger. Atomic radius increases. Then nuclear charge decreases. How it is possible? So here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit very less is there. That's why more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electron. Next, so here the distance between nucleus to and outermost orbit some more is there when you compare this one. Now some less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit. Next, here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit very large is there. That's why the nuclear charge is very, very less on the outermost orbit. So more nuclear charge, less nuclear charge, very less nuclear charge. What happens here? Atomic radius increases, nuclear charge decreases. What happens? Electropositivity increases. Because of what is the meaning of electropositivity? Loss of electrons. Here electrons strongly attracted to toward, that means electrons strongly attracted by nucleus. That's why we should not remove easily electron. Here nucleus weakly attracted by outermost electron, we can remove electron. But here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit very large is there. That's why less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit. Here we can easily remove electron. Some difficult, no difficult, very, very no difficult. That means top to bottom. Atomic radius increases, nuclear charge decreases. Then here does not lose easily electron, here some easily lost electron, here very, very easily lost electron. So that is how to change electropositivity in a group and group. Now we discuss about period. In a period, what happens electropositivity in a period? So here electropositivity from left to right in a period decreases due to atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge increases. Now here electropositive character from left to right in a period decreases due to atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases. This is the about electropositivity in a period. Now check it. Example, second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. But we know that atomic radius definition, the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. So here what happens, atomic radius from left to right, atomic radius here more, less, very less, very, very less, very, very less. Atomic radius decreases. Then what happens, nuclear charge increases. How it is possible? So here observe, the distance between nucleus to and outermost orbit very large is there. That's why nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit. Next, here second one, the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit some less compared with the lithium atom. That's why more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit when compared with the lithium. Now when you compare boron and beryllium, Here the distance between a nucleus to outermost orbit very less is there. That's why more nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit when you compare to this one, this one. Now here distance very less is there, nucleus to outermost orbit. That's why nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit compared with carbon to boron. Next, nitrogen. Here very less distance is there. That's why more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electron. Now what happens? Less nuclear charge, some more nuclear charge. That means atomic radius increases, atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge increases. That is the reason. Here electron we can remove easily, but here we should not remove electron easily. So that's why electropositive character from left to right in a period decreases due to atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge increases. Thank you students. Remaining topic next class we discuss.